I'm Katie and I'm going to show you how to control weeds organically. Weeds come in many shapes and sizes, but they are defined as a plant that is growing in the wrong place. To control weeds organically, you can use a trowel, mulch, a weed puller, a weed fork, organic spray. It's also a really good idea to use gloves. Let me take you around the garden to show you how you can control weeds organically. Weeds grow quickly, so keep an eye out for seedlings. Pull them out as soon as they appear. Weeds are easier to remove when they're young, so don't let them set seed. You can do it by hand or you can use a tool like this one. Be sure to dig out the roots as well as the stem. Plant garden beds densely so there's less room for weeds to grow. Remember, weeds love to colonise bare soil. Mulching your garden beds will help prevent weeds germinating. Before laying your mulch, remove all the weeds that are already there. For weeds such as this, you can use a trowel or a weeding fork. There's a variety of organic sprays available for weed control. Simply follow the instructions on the label to show you what to do. Remember to be vigilant and remove weeds before they set. Your garden will be looking perfect in no time.